Hello, my name is Ray, and I'm the Ray in the Ray code. In this video, I'll be covering the Singleton Design Pattern, and I'll be using C++. I have put timestamps in the margin so you may navigate to the sections you desire most. My favorite is SWOT analysis. I have used other programming languages to cover this design pattern, and I have used this programming language across the other design patterns that were given by the Game 4. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. You can find me on all the social media platforms. Please search them out. Become the Ray Code Groupie. Please share this video with others. What is a Singleton pattern? Singleton is a creational design pattern that ensures a class has only one instance and provides a single global way to access it. In simple terms, you are only allowed to create one of this object and everyone must use that same one. Think of it like this. School principal, only one in charge. Game setting manager, one place controlling volume, difficulty, etc. Print manager, one system handling all print jobs. Why should you study the Singleton design pattern? Real world use. Singleton is used in real software for things like logging systems, configuration managers, database connections. Learn object control. It teaches how to control object creation, restrict access to constructors, manage memory and lifetime. This builds strong C++ fundamentals. Foundation pattern. Singleton is one of the simplest design patterns. Learning helps you understand more advanced patterns like factory, builder, abstract factory. The Singleton pattern ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it. Singleton creates and manages a single instance, prevents other objects from creating new instances, provides a static method to access that one instance. Hello, I'm Ray, the Ray in the Ray code. You may find the code for this tutorial at my GitHub site. Also, be sure you tell a friend. Hello, my name is Ray, and I'm the Ray in the Ray code. In today's video, I plan to give you a demonstration of the Singleton design pattern, a creational design pattern, and I will be using C++. The Singleton design pattern is a creational design pattern that ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to that instance. We will start with the creation of the Singleton class. First, we start with a .h file. In the header, we will include the IO string. This will be a static instance pointer. We make it a private constructor to prevent direct instantiation. We provide a public static method to get the single instance. This will be to demonstrate functionality and we will display a message. We do some cleanup at the end of this class, the copy constructor and assignment operator. Now let's work on the CPP side of this class. We include the singleton.h file. We initialize the static member by setting the instance to a null pointer. We have the private constructor and we return the message Singleton instance created from inside the private method. We test to see if the objects are the same and we tell the world hello. Now let's create a plain class. We include IO stream at the top to use in our plain class. Inside this class we show message. We create a CPP file for this class. We include its.h file. We mention that this class was created. We say hello. Now let's go to the main method for our demo. We include singleton.h and plainClass.h at the top. We don't need to include the IO string because we can find that in the Singleton class. We set Singleton1 to an instance of the Singleton, and we set Singleton2 to an instance of the Singleton. We verify both the Singleton instances are the same. Next, we want to create two separate instances of plain class. We test to see if they are equal. We clean up allocated memory. Let's compile and run. We get Singleton instance created. Hello from Singleton. Both Singleton instances are the same object. Creating plain class instances. Plain class instances created. Plain instances created. Plain instances are different objects. My name is Ray. Always code with a smile. SWOT analysis of the design pattern Singleton, a creational design pattern for the C++ student. S. Strength. Single control ensures only one object exists, which helps avoid conflict data or duplicate system behavior. Easy access provides one global access point so different parts of the program can reach the same instance. Shared resource. Useful when one object must manage a shared resource like configuration settings, logging, or device access. W. Weakness. Hidden coupling. Classes may depend on the singleton without clearly showing it, making the code harder to understand. Hard testing. Because one shared object is used everywhere, unit testing and mocking can become more difficult. Global state. Acts like a global variable, which can lead to bugs when many parts of the program change. Opportunity. Resource manager. Great for teaching how one object can manage printers, files, settings, or database connections. Pattern gateway. Helps students begin to learn design patterns before moving to factory, builder, or abstract factory. Cleaner design. Can reduce unnecessary object creation when only one controller object is really needed. T. Threats. Overuse risk. Students may use Singleton everywhere, even when a normal class or parameter passing is better. Thread trouble. In multi-threaded programs, poor single design can create race conditions or multiple rigid growth. A program may become harder to change later because too much depends on one shared object. Well, that was my video. Please give this video a like. I worked hard to create it. Leave a comment, and if you find me on the social media platforms, leave a comment there. Tell a friend the Ray Code is awesome.